Lotus Elise S2 111S. This produces 143 brake horsepower, finished in silver, dark chrome alloys, hard top. Obviously it has a soft top with it too. 24,000 miles, that's all it's done. Leather upholstery, sports exhaust, we've just completed major top end engine works on the cylinder head. Just MOT'd, it will be supplied with 4 new tyres before it goes out to its new owner. So one of the last of the Rover engined Elises. As you can see, bodywork is in very nice condition. No blistering on the tops of the doors. Also has the spotlights as well. It's available for Allon Sports Cars on 01234 750 205.